In recent years, Apple has been using stainless steel to make the frame of their iPhones. They do this to make the phone feel more luxurious when you hold it compared to using aluminum. Some people heard rumors that Samsung might also start using stainless steel for their phones, but that hasn't happened yet. One reason could be that stainless steel can make the phone heavier because it's a bit heavier than aluminum. It looks like Samsung is now interested in using titanium, similar to Apple. The iPhone 15 Pro and 15 Pro Max already have a titanium frame, and there are rumors that Samsung might also use titanium for the frame of their upcoming Galaxy S24 Ultra. Initially, Samsung was planning to use aluminum for the Galaxy S24 and Galaxy S24 Plus, but now there's news on Twitter suggesting that all three Galaxy S24 models might use titanium frames instead. According to the latest rumor, Samsung plans to make its own titanium frames for the standard Galaxy S24, while they will source titanium frames from other companies for the Galaxy S24 Plus and Galaxy S24 Ultra. This means that all three models of the Galaxy S24 might come with titanium frames, and as a result, they could be more expensive. As you might be aware, in the case of the iPhone 15 Pro and iPhone 15 Pro Max, they haven't completely switched from stainless steel to titanium. While the frame is made of titanium, the inner structure is still made of aluminum. This combination is necessary because titanium doesn't conduct heat well, and it's also expensive. That's why Apple has used a relatively small amount of titanium with a thickness of only 1 millimeter in the frame. Samsung is likely to follow a similar strategy, especially if they want to use titanium frames for all three models without increasing the prices significantly. However, it's essential to approach this rumor with caution and wait for more details to surface, which is likely to happen as we get closer to the launch of the Galaxy S24 series. That's it for today. What's your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comment section. As always, see you in the next video. Peace out.